Is your diesel engine blowing more smoke than usual? Or have you noticed that your fuel economy has taken a serious nosedive recently? If you have a check engine light on and your scanner is showing a P2000 code, you are dealing with an emissions system headache. Specifically, this code stands for Nitrogen Oxide Trap Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 1. I know that sounds like a mouthful of chemistry, but let's break it down into plain English. Modern diesel engines run with a lot of oxygen, which is great for power, but bad for creating nitrogen oxide, or NOx, which is a harmful pollutant. To stop this from getting into the air, your exhaust system has a special trap, almost like a filter, that uses a material called zeolite to catch these molecules. It is like a sponge. When the sponge gets full, the car injects a bit of fuel or fluid to burn it off and clean the trap. The P2000 code means your car's computer has realized that this trap is not doing its job anymore. The sponge is full or it is broken, and it is letting too much pollution pass through. Bank 1 just refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1, which is standard for inline engines too. The causes can be tricky. It might be the trap itself that is physically damaged or clogged, but do not jump to that conclusion yet, because that is an expensive part. Often, the issue is with the regeneration process. If your diesel exhaust fluid injection system is clogged, or if you're using low-quality fluid, the trap cannot clean itself. Even a simple exhaust leak upstream of the trap can throw off the sensor readings and trigger this code. Start your diagnosis by looking for exhaust leaks. Look for black soot marks around the exhaust manifold or pipes. Check your fluid level and quality. Also, verify that your exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR system, is working, because a stuck EGR valve can clog the trap prematurely. If you have a scanner, clear the code and drive to see if it resets. If it does, you'll need to watch the live data from the NOx sensors. These sensors are like oxygen sensors, but for diesel emissions. If the sensors are dead, check their fuses and wiring first. Remember, high-performance aftermarket exhaust parts can sometimes trigger this code because they change the flow and temperature the system expects.